Once upon a time, in a lush and verdant forest, there lived a brave little rabbit named Rosie. With her soft gray fur and curious twinkle in her eyes, she was known throughout the forest not just for her speed but also for her courage and wisdom. In the same forest lived a hungry wolf named Wally. With his shaggy fur and sharp, piercing eyes, Wally was feared by all the forest creatures. Though he was always prowling the forest floor, his grumbling stomach never ceased. One bright and sunny morning, Rosie was hopping through the dappled sunlight, collecting the juiciest carrots she could find. She stumbled upon a particularly large and delicious carrot patch near the river and spent the morning filling her basket. Meanwhile, Wally was lurking nearby, hidden behind the dense ferns. His nose twitched as he caught Rosie's scent. His mouth watered at the thought of such a tender feast. Rosie sensed she was being watched. Her ears perked up, alert to the slightest sound. She decided to investigate, cautiously moving through the underbrush. As Rosie carefully crept closer, Wally's yellow eyes narrowed. He planned to catch her unaware, as he had done with others before. But Rosie was unlike any other critter in the forest. Suddenly, a large falling branch snapped loudly, startling them both. Rosie leapt into action, bounding towards safety while Wally leaped forward in pursuit. Rosie darted through the forest with Wally hot on her heels. Her heart pounded, but not from fear, for Rosie had a clever plan. She zipped around trees, through a meadow, and finally towards a deep, winding tunnel she had discovered recently. Its narrow entrance was hidden by thorny bushes, perfect for a quick escape. Wally, blinded by hunger, scrambled after her, unaware of the tunnel's hazards. Rosie nimbly slipped through the entrance while Wally gnashed his teeth in frustration, struggling in the thorny barricade. Safe inside her clever hideaway, Rosie quickly thought of her next move. She knew she had to deal with Wally once and for all, or she'd never live peacefully. While Wally furiously wrestled with the bushes, Rosie remembered the cunning tricks her father had taught her, the art of misdirection and the power of teamwork. Hastily, Rosie gathered some of her forest friends, Barry the wise owl, who had the sharpest eyes, Squeaky the intelligent squirrel, who could dart across branches like lightning, and Lily the brave deer, who could scare away even the boldest predators with her antlers. Together, they hatched a plan to outsmart Wally without harming him. They valued their animal kingdom and believed in harmony amongst all. That afternoon, as Wally finally disentangled himself from the thorny trap and retreated to lick his wounds, Rosie and her friends began their ruse. Barry soared high above the forest while Squeaky quickly gathered acorns, spreading them along a confusing, branching path deeper into the woods. Lily bounded gracefully along the path, leaving misleading tracks that led to a safe glade far from Rosie's nest. When Wally returned, still hungry but repaired, he was amazed by the sight of the tracks and tantalizing acorns. His stomach growled, urging him to follow. As the day dimmed, Wally trotted along the false trails, each turn leading him further from Rosie's home. His excitement grew as he smelled fresh scents. But unbeknownst to him, Rosie and her companions watched from a distance, ensuring their plan proceeded smoothly. Finally, the desperate wolf reached a clearing, only to find himself quite alone, surrounded by his impressions of what he thought were potential feasts. Rosie emerged when Wally was gone, thanking her friends for their help. Peace returned to their tranquil home, and they danced under the starlit sky. As for Wally, he eventually learned that losing this game meant he'd have to respect his neighbors, finding his meals less cunningly. Though his stomach remained hungry from time to time, Wally discovered that outsmarting could be bested by trust and community. From that day, Rosie's legend grew, a brave little rabbit who tamed fear with wisdom and friendship, reinforcing the forest's harmony. And so, the tale of Rosie, the brave little rabbit, and Wally, the hungry wolf, became a favorite story shared by the animals, inspiring bravery and unity in all hearts.